आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Here the question is, reduce the equation that is r vector into 3i cap minus 4j cap plus 12k cap is equals to 5 to normal form, and hence find the length of perpendicular from the origin to the plane. Right now here we can see that, let's first write it as here given. So here we are having r vector into 3i cap minus 4j cap plus 12 k cap, and this equals to 15. Right now here we can see that this equation is of form that r vector dot n vector is equals to d, right? And we know that the normal form of plane is as r vector dot n cap is equals to d dash. Here this d dash, let me write here that here this d dash is equals to distance of plane from origin. Here this d dash means that distance of plane from origin. Right now, as in this question, that we are the given equation of plane is as r vector dot n vector is equals to d, and we have to convert this equation to normal form, and we can see that normal form is as r vector dot n cap is equals to d dash. This means that we have to convert this n vector into n cap or unit vector. Right now we know that that unit vector of as n cap is equals to vector n divided by magnitude of n vector. Right, we know that the n cap or unit vector is equals to vector divided by magnitude of that vector. Right, so this means if we divide this given equation with the magnitude of this equation both side, then we will get this equation in normal form. Right, so now let's find the magnitude of this n vector. So here in this case, in this question, we are having n vector as, let this vector as n vector is equals to 3i cap minus 4j cap plus 12k cap. Right, now we know that for any vector that is of ai cap plus bj cap plus c k cap, let's name it as p vector. So magnitude of any vector that is of form p vector. So the magnitude of this vector is as magnitude of p vector is equals to under root of component of I, that is a square plus b square plus c square. So by using this formula we can find the magnitude of n vector. So magnitude of n vector is equals to under root of component of I, that is 3, so 3 square 9 plus minus of 4 square plus 12 square. Let me write here in a proper manner. So here plus 12 square. Right, now let's further solve. So n vector magnitude is equals to under root of 9 plus minus of 4 square 16, so 9 plus 16 plus 12 square means 144. So this equals to under root of 169, and we know that, so we can say that the magnitude of n vector is equals to 13. Magnitude of n vector is equals to 13 because we know that the square root of 169 is 13. Right, now that means here the given equation that r vector into this is equals to 15. R vector into this is equals to 15. So r vector into 3i cap minus 4j cap plus 12k cap equals to 15. If we divide this vector both side, then we will get the normal form. So now let's divide both side with 1 by 13. Right, so here we are having, let's see here again that it is 15. No, it is 5 here. So here it is 5, not 15. Right? Now let's solve it further. So r vector into 3 by 13 I cap minus 4 by 13 j cap plus 12 by 13 k cap, and this equals to 5 by 13, and hence we can see that this is a form r vector dot n cap is equals to d dash. So hence we can say that this is a form, this is normal form of that given plane. Right? Now as the question says, to find the distance, to find the length of perpendicular from the origin, that means the distance from origin, length of perpendicular from origin. Here this d dash is perpendicular distance, it is perpendicular distance. Here this sign shows perpendicularity. Let me write here perpendicular. Perpendicular. So we can say that here, if we compare this equation with this equation, then we can say that the d dash is equals to 5 by 13, and hence we can say that this is the required distance and this is the required equation, and hence we can say that this is our answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।